Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to keep your sensitive information like API keys in a .env file so that it should not be exposed every time when you upload your project to a Git and it is shared by many developers. So it decreases the chance of data breach. So, or data leak. Now, please note the structure. We have a .env file, we have a common config, we have a utilities and a main py file. And each of them has a specific queues. So first of all, I would like you to install uh, pip install. Let me just write it down. Pip install python.env. In our case, the requirement is satisfied. So this will help you in further project. Now, the benefit of .env file is that when you push this code into the Git, this file will not be uploaded in the Git or the GitHub, right? So this file will only be useful on your local host. Now, let me quickly copy a credential from one of my previous project. So I'll be showing you how to use an email API for sending emails, uh, to people. So as you can see, I blurred out the credential, but uh, this is what it looks like, our .env file, and the information will not be in double quote. It will not be a string. Anyways, now coming to our common config. Now, whatever information we called in .env, we have to call it again to be used in our local host. So what we will do is, we will first of all import OS. Then we need to import from .env. We have load.env, and then we actually call that function. Now we need to call, you can keep this name anything. I'm gonna call it send in blue underscore API key. Yep, that is the one. So send in blue underscore API underscore key. Once again, this variable you can keep any name. Now once again we need to call the URL also, send in blue underscore API underscore URL. So now we can use the information from our .env file into the local host. Now we need to make a function which I have already made. So where was it? Yeah, this one. So I'm going to copy this function in the utilities.py file, and we have some missing information. We need to import the request module. I think you need to install it before. I've already done it. And then from common config, import all the keys into my utilities file. Yeah, but I don't want to do it because of security. So I'm keeping all this data .env again to common config to utilities. Okay, now I'm gonna call my this function in main.py file. So what I need to do is from utilities import send email via send in blue. Now I can simply call the function, or I can store it in a variable as ever I want. So let me see the params that I was passing. We have a to and we have a body. Okay, so to, I can mail it to myself, and the message you can write anything. I'm going to write hello world. You can even pass a message in f string, and so on. Be creative. And just for the sake of it, we're going to print it. Okay, so now I'm going to run it, and email sent successfully. Let me go back to my Gmail, and yeah, I actually got an email. No, not a spam. Hello world, and I got it 0 minutes ago. So yeah, our code worked. So I hope you understand. Never expose your sensitive information, and this is the structure we follow normally in production level. So our utilities.py file normally will have all the functions which will be necessary to run our main code, right? Because we do not want to keep our code cluttered. We want to keep it organized. I hope it was helpful to you. A like to the video and a subs to my channel will be very helpful. Thank you.